morning! Happy Monday! Today is December 8. Monday dito ngayon sa US, guys. And pupunta kami ng aking friend sa may Olive Garden. So, punta na kami sa may, ano yan siya, restaurant. Restaurant na siya dito na Italian restaurant. So, mabuti kasi kanina, pahiga-higa lang ako. At in-invite niya ako. Sabi niya, gusto niya daw na ma-visit ako. So, sabi ko, kain na lang tayo sa labas. So, sabi ko, ako na bahala kasi siya naman yung driver. So, so excited kasi makagala-gala naman ako, guys. I'm so blessed na may mga friend ako na pag wala silang gagawin, pag day off, they try to come here to visit me. So, meron nga pala ako ditong Nathaniel's Buko Pie. So, itatry ko to. Itatry namin. Kasi hindi pa kami kumain. So, sabi ko, meron ako ditong Buko Pie. And, Pampangas. Famous Buko Pie. Excited na ako, guys. Hindi ko alam. I-search ko muna kung paano to siya. Siguro, kasi nilagay ko to siya, sa may freezer. Hindi ko alam kung may ba to. Parang wala naman instruction. Kung paano siya. Siguro lang. Siguro i-bake ko to. Kasi lumamig na siya Excited na ako. Kaya hinihintay ko na lang siya. Malapit lang naman yung bahay niya. Mga lang naman. Mga 20 minutes away lang naman sa amin. And pupunta kami ng Roseville. So yung Roseville from our place, mga yan. Siguro mga nasa 1 hour. Hindi ko alam. Basta mga ganyan. Medyo malayo din. At malamig na ngayon. Ito nga lang yung outfit ko, guys. Nag-dress ako. So, maghanap-hanap na ako ng leggings. Kasi wala na ako masyadong magkasya talaga yung leggings. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ko na yun nalagay. So, mag-jacket lang ako at ganito. And then, mag-winter na shoes. Hindi pa nga ako nakapagkape. Nagising ako, alas 9:30 na ako nagising. Ngayon, 11:04. So, hinihintay ko na lang kung saan tawagan ko siya. Sa Roseville, yan siya, parang mall yan siya siguro, yung pupuntahan namin. So, magtingin-tingin ako ng mga damit-damit ko, pang tulog, pang bahay. Kasi mga damit ko talaga, nako. Siguro magkasya pag mga anak na ako, hopefully, hindi ako tataba. Sana hindi ako tataba. Hintayin ko lang yung friend ko, mga madam, ha? And then, papakita ko sa inyo yung lugar na pupuntahan namin. Tirahan ko lang yung asawa ko kasi gusto niya to. 3 piraso lang naman yung bake ko. Yung iba, ako nasarapan niya akong kumain, guys, ng buko pie na malamig. Ito yung kanyang itsura. Ay, naka-frozen. Kasi sabi sa instruction kay frozen. I-bake ko lang 3 pieces. Yung 3 pieces, itira ko para sa asawa ko mamaya. Ito yung kanyang itsura. I-bake ko lang to siya, mga madam, ng siguro mga 5 minutes or 10 minutes kasi frozen. Magawa muna ako, guys, ng kape. Kasi yung friend ko, kakatapos nilang maligo. So, magkape muna ako kasi gutom na gutom. Nagutom na ako. Ang bango ng buko pie. Kasi parang masarap talaga ito pag may coffee. So, yung nabili ko yung Dunkin Donut na kape. Naalala ko maganda pala yung kape ng donut ng Dunkin. Hindi na yung aking kape, mabilis lang. Ito na yung kape at saka yung buko pie. So, isa lang muna yung kainin ko. Excited. Wait, inumin ko muna yung kape. Sarap. Let's try. Sarap. Mag-order ako nito ulit guys sa may Wii. Kaya if you want to order, I will put the link in comment section kung nandito ka sa US. Kung mahirapan kang maghanap ng buko pie at gusto mo i-deliver na sa bahay mo, I will put the link in comment section. Wow. In fairness, napakasarap. Picture muna. Picture taking muna, guys. Kasi yan na to, importante. Kunin ko lang yung ano yung buko pie. Ano pala? Ay, ito. Nakuha mo din ito lang ako. Malaki? Ano? Try mo. Kainin na, oo. Dalhin mo na. Ilagay ko sa ano. Hindi sa'yo na yan. Isa lang sa akin kasi ano, matamis sa patakot ako. Isla? Lagay ko dito. Diyos ko, parang mag-CR pa ako.
CR ka muna. Ako na yan. Ako na.
Lagay.
CR ka muna.
Papunta na kami mga madam. So we're just gonna drive for 40 minutes. Nakadating lang namin. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ano, ng view. Ganda ng mga puno ngayon. Orange na talaga. Parang ano pala sis na same sa mga Cattle's Man yung itsura or it's like Cecil House.
Parang sila.
Ito yung favorite ko. Madami din pala yung breadstick, no? Buti, same pala tayo ng order.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hope you have a great rest of the day. I will. Thank you so much.
Parang ano, parang sopas. Pagkasama kami na inis na siya. Pinipicturean ko pa yun. Pero pag mag-sweldo na, masaya na naman siya. So pa lang, no? Add ako ng another soup. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. And pupunta ngayon kami sa mall. Mag-ano lang, maglakad-lakad. Suran ko muna. Saan tayo sa ano? Sa Roseville yung Galleria? Ha?
Tayo maabot.
Busog na.
How's the tummy?
Okay lang. Kanina gumagalaw.
Gumagala. Nabusog din si Baby.
Oo, nabusog din siguro. Ngayon hindi na siya masyadong gumagalaw. Kanina pag nang gutom, gumagalaw. Ito ka namin guys sa may... Thank you. Sa Nordstrom. Tingin-tingin lang.
What?
Dito. Arit. Parang Zara din, no? Ito yung kanilang mall dito, guys. Konti lang yung tao compare sa Pilipinas. Sa Pilipinas ngayon ang mall, ano na, puro na ng decorations, no? Daming tao. Dito madami din. Pero hindi crowded talaga. Christmas tree din. Ang ganda, oh. Window shopping. Stringing na. Oh, cute. Picturean ko nga. Picturean ko yung remembrance.
Take your picture.
Na lang ngayon eh. Yeah. Saan tayo? Ito na? Ay, ito na. Sa Zara pala. Okay. Oh. Ano mga sale nila na ano, no?
Yeah.
Dito. Sige.
Just all the way to that.
Ganda na ito mga madam. Kaso hindi pa ako pwede kasi buntis. Ay, pwede pala. Cute nito sis, oh. Parang same sa suot mo.
Yeah.
Oo, ganda ng kulay. Ay, ang ganyan. $14. Mahilig ako sa ganito halter.
Yeah.
Halter na design. Dito kami sa JCPenney. Mag-ano kami. Magtanong kami ng pictorial maternity shoot. Kasi nakita ko parang $25 per person.
The second one.
Maghanap ka muna ng ano mo. Pagkatapos na lang maghanap muna tayo ng... Ayun, oh. Forever 21 na. Kasi ang iksi. Pwede ito pag maternity... Ay, hindi. Yung blue. So guys, may nakuha akong sale. Wala, ang ganda. For only, ano lang, $17 or $10 from $69. Kukunin ko tong dress. Ayan. Siguro this one. Ang ganda din. Ang sexy. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong outfit. Magkano to? Hindi to siguro naka-sale. Pero ang ganda. Size. Ayan siya mga madam. Yung pink. Kasha to sa akin. And then this one, blue. I-try ko muna to sa fitting room. Madami silang clearance ngayon. Madami palang clearance. Mga soft lang na color. Ano pala, jumper. Jumpsuit. Ay, hindi siya naka-sale. So, 40%, hindi siguro yan naka-sale. Ay, hindi siya naka-sale. Punta ako guys sa my fitting room. So, dami kong itatry. Kaya, nakasutin na. Pajamas, I'm saying. Ito maganda sana siya, kaso lang mahaba. Yan, mahaba siya sa akin.
Ang tiyan ko. Pinag-iisipan ko to. Ito okay din. Pero parang pangbahay lang siya. Maiksi. Gusto ko sana yung hanggang dito. Maiksi. This one, maganda siya. Ayan. Ang maternity. Ito mga madam, kukunin ko, maganda siya. Ayan. Pang summer. Kaya pala nag-sale yung mga summer kasi winter na. Hello, grabe yun siyang kumalaki. Kukunin ko to. At yung isa, this one is only $17. Ang cute ah. Ay, ito mga madam, maganda siya. Kukunin ko din ito. Ayan. Ganda ng kanyang design. Ano lang to? Only $8. $8 lang siya from 54, kaya kukunin ko to.
Facebook.
I'm not sure. I will check it later. Guys, I just got home. So, I have a package from my Facebook follower. Thank you so much. Unbox ko to mamaya. And then, this one, from my follower. So, dalawa yung nagpadala sa akin. Tignan natin kung ano yung laman nito. I'm so excited. Hello, guys. So, one of my Facebook follower sent us a gift. Wow. So, let's open this. I'm looking at my other camera too, so I have the camera. First one, this one is from Georgia. So she's my follower from Georgia. Let's open this. Now this is for me. Hey. Wow, Christmas shoes. Is it a Christmas? Yeah. Thank you so much. And then, thank you for supporting our small business. So if you guys, happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. There sees Marios. I'm so happy for you. What a beautiful miracle this is. Praying for a peaceful and healthy pregnancy, for strength and joy, and for a safe and smooth delivery. You're going to be an amazing mom. Remember that you are strong, capable, and so loved. I can't wait to see. I can't wait to meet in your video, your little one. God bless you. God bless your family. Love lots. Risty. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. So let's open this. It's cute. I like it. It's sleepwear, so I can use this when I already give birth, because for now I can still use it, but it's just not comfortable for me. So I'm gonna use it soon. I like this.
Did she say her business name?
Yeah, I'm gonna. If you guys wants to order, yeah, because she put a business thing in here. So if you guys wants to order, I will put the link of her Facebook page in this video, and the profile of this business, small business. Wow, I like this one too. Thank you so much, madam. And then I got this is for my hair. It's like a headband. My headband is a set. This one. Another one. Oh, the same. I like it. Ang ganda. I like the quality of the fabric. It's soft. It's really for me because I always stay at home. I like this outfit just when I'm at home. Hello, ang ganda. Pajama. Oh, it's really my size. You really know my size. Oh, my tummy is so big. Ayan o, pajama with a headband. Thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. So if you guys want to order, I will put the link in comment section. And I have another one. Wait. This one is...
Many the scissors.
Yeah, I know this person. She's my follower too. Thank you so much, madam. And this is from California. Westlake, California. This is for the baby.
Okay. Many scissors.
Wow. This stuff is for the baby. Rabbit. What is this? Cute.
I don't know. Some sort of duck, I think.
A duck?
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe it's a duck.
Yeah, like a beak.
And then, towel. Kitchen towel. I can really use this.
Little baby toy.
My favorite thing for the kitchen.
Oh, it sticks to the it sticks to the glass
Be
too.
careful in this, baby.
Huh? Oh yeah.
Be careful. This one. Yeah, we can put this in the car.
Yeah. Yeah, it sticks to the glass.
Nice on you.
Some pajamas.
Yeah, pajamas. Can you keep
Yeah.
Wow, thank
sugar.
you. Roblox. Pajama. Thank you. Oh, this one is cute too. At least it's like a big clothes so that the baby can wear it like 1 to 2 years old. This one is nice too. I like this. 12 months. Perfect size. And then Lucky. Thank you much. Thank you so much, madam. God bless you more. And there's a letter.
Yeah.
Dear Mary Rose and Darrell, baby boy and bigger brother. Big brother, wishing you the best this holiday season. God bless you all. Praying for a safe delivery and healthy baby. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Tita Dina.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tita Dina. More blessings to you and to your family. We really appreciate your gift. Oh,
Nice.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
And after this, my husband will going to try buko pie. Ipag-try ko sa kanya mga madam yung buko pie na kinain ko kanina. I said, I will let you try the buko pie that I tried this morning. I like this one. I'm so excited to wear this. I like it.
And a bunch of clothes.
Yep. Wait, magluto muna ako guys ng ano. Ay, mag-bake muna ako ng buko pie ng mga 10 minutes kasi malamig siya, naka-frozen. Hey.
I'm hungry.
Hello guys! I'm gonna make an introduction first. Hello guys! My husband will going to try. I can't wait.
You've been starving me.
Nathaniel's buko pie. So if you want to order, we'll put the link in comment section.
What's inside this thing?
It's buku coconut.
I don't know what buku is. That's the question.
Coconut.
Okay, let's move.
Okay, let's see.
It's hot.
Nah, I told you to try it if it's.
I mean, I can't
because I
tell.
put it in microwave, I freeze
The
it.
outside's nice, but it's got some liquid in there.
Just careful, it's hot. It's yummy. That's the one I cooked last time, you remember?
No.
You don't remember everything. It's hot. Oh, that's so hot. So what?
See the steam coming off this?
I know.
Well, I can't taste it because my tongue is completely burned, but
Just careful.
I'm sure it's good.
Blow it. But it's yummy, no?
Is it?
It's yummy. Ito yung Nathaniel's buko pie. Just careful. Yummy, huh?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I will show them.
I like it. Hold on one
How
second.
it looks like inside, I will show them.
I'll show them.
Okay, show to your time. Ah, very good. You're a vlogger. you know my ano, babe.
Huh? You know what?
You know the thing that I'm doing now.
I don't know yet.
It's so hot that I can see it. Like, I should suppose just to put it in 30 seconds. I put it in 1 minute. No,
Are you sure this is just like normal ingredients, right? There's nothing.
Oh, read it here. Read it here. Ingredients: all-purpose flour, butter, sugar, filling, coconut meat, coconut juice,
Coconut
fresh.
meat?
Yeah, the coconut meat. That's it. The coconut. Because if you you think it's a meat.
I don't know.
The coconut, because you open the coconut. You never tried coconut, right?
I've had coconut.
Yeah,
but
if you open the coconut,
it was...
that inside, that's what you call coconut meat.
Oh, okay.
High blood.
What?
I'm high blood. Coconut juice, fresh milk, sugar, cornstarch.
Okay.
That's it. I wish I can eat it, but I can only eat once a day of that because it's sweet. Can I have a bite? Just a little. It seems like you like it all the time.
That's good. I like it.
Still have there. Hot. I'm not gonna because I'm scared. I eat one today, so I can't eat too much.
Yeah, it's good.
It's yummy. That's good because my husband likes it. Tomorrow you want to bring this or work to work? No, it's fun. But it's okay if you want to bring one to work. Just dessert.
Thank you.
Just sarap, guys. My husband likes it, so mission accomplished. Finally, you're doing good now in eating Filipino food, Filipino dessert. But the only thing that my husband cannot eat, dinuguan.
Let's not do anything.
Do you know the dinuguan now?
The blood?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat that. I'm also not
And then
gonna
balut.
eat ice cream with cheese in it. That's weird.
Ice cream with cheese, yung ube. The ube, does it like the ube ice cream with cheese?
Not good.
But it's yummy. Thank you so much for participating in this video. You have my 50%.
Wait, what?
50% of this video goes to you.
Okay, good.
So yummy. So thank you so much everyone for watching. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you want to follow us on Facebook, my name is Maria Rose Vlog 2 with blue mark check. Bye everyone. God bless you.